Good morning from the Protos newsroom. The date today is Tuesday the 19th of January, and you're listening to the Protos Daily. The headlines this morning. Polkadot is now the third largest blockchain after a 100% surge saw its market cap top $15 billion. Nvidia may take another crack at the crypto mining market after a disastrous first try in 2018. And hacked exchange Livecoin has given users a 2-month window to claim refunds. At the present time, Bitcoin is trading at $36,800 at a level almost unchanged since yesterday. Ether has just reached a new all-time high, topping the previous record of $1,420 after it spiked by nearly 12% in the past day. It may have only launched last year, but Ethereum rival Polkadot is now the world's third biggest blockchain. A 100% surge over the past week means that the interoperability project is now worth $16 billion, which is more than the Bitcoin fork Litecoin and peer-reviewed Cardano, both of which have been around significantly longer. Polkadot's meteoric rise has also coincided with the downfall of perennial third-place crypto XRP, which suffered a disastrous New Year's, halving in price in the past 30 days. However, despite Polkadot's value multiplying 50 times since August, there's still a long way to go if it's to climb any higher. Number 2 on the list, Ethereum, is currently valued at $142 billion. That's 9 times bigger. Computer graphics card giant Nvidia is considering taking another run at the crypto mining market, just over 2 years since its last attempt saw its stock price more than halved. Speaking this week, Nvidia's Chief Financial Officer Colette Kress revealed that if crypto demand continues to increase, the company could restart production of its CMP products, graphic cards that have had their video capability removed, making them perfect for miners. As mentioned, it wouldn't be Nvidia's first foray into providing chips specifically geared towards crypto miners. However, their last attempt in 2017 was something of a disaster and saw the company embroiled in a number of lengthy legal disputes. Since 2019, the company has been waging court battles with investors who believe it underreported how much of its revenue was tied to crypto mining. They claim that they were left severely out of pocket when in the space of 6 months, Bitcoin's price soared from $1,400 to nearly $19,000, before plummeting to under $4,000, dampening interest in crypto mining and halving Nvidia's share price. However, if they get it right this time, it may prove to be the answer to the stock shortages that have seen GPUs from most manufacturers become increasingly scarce, as desperate miners look to beef up their systems to take advantage of rocketing crypto prices. There has been a development in the case of hacked Russian crypto exchange Livecoin. According to the exchange's new domain, users are able to make reimbursement claims within the next 2 months by forwarding account usernames and dates of registration. The bizarre process has already been met by a wave of unsatisfied customers who for some reason have lost the necessary information and are unable to claim the holdings of their accounts back. Other victims of the attack have gone even further to express their skepticism about how trustworthy the released information is, suggesting that the whole attack has been orchestrated by Livecoin in a well-thought-out exit scam. In December last year, Livecoin disclosed hackers had taken control of its servers to artificially inflate the price of Bitcoin to $450,000. It was also revealed that the culprits also managed to cash out users' accounts, leaving the exchange unable to recover from the attack. We're using this as another opportunity to remind you, not your keys, not your coins. Researchers at Ungeared have unveiled new work suggesting that deceased computer scientist Hal Finney was most likely Bitcoin's Satoshi Nakamoto. The new findings are a result of a special scientific technique which allows to assign a stylistic signature by analysing Nakamoto's foreign posts and private emails. The technique goes on to compare this signature with the works of Finney and other candidates such as Nick Szabo, Adam Back, Wei Dai and even Craig Wright. Following this methodology, Ungeared has been able to find close proximities between Nakamoto's Bitcoin talk posts and texts from Finney. Ungeared has further contacted Protos and provided us with additional context about its research, stating that it provides another piece to the tall task of finding who Satoshi really is. A spokesperson for the team has said that they have been interested in the true identity of Nakamoto since the beginning of time, but noted the group does not presume to have definitely proven Finney is Nakamoto with this research. Users of free speech social media platform Gab are reporting that parts of the site are borderline unusable after, in a somewhat ironic twist, they were overrun by spammers trying to sell Trump coins. Grifters are targeting those groups on the site that cater to QAnon conspiracy theorists, directing users to dodgy web shops supposedly selling physical Trump coins. And although not strictly crypto-related, the problem bears more than a passing resemblance to Twitter-based scams perpetrated by Bitcoin-hungry Elon Musk impersonators. For years, scammers have been conning Twitter users by promising to double crypto sent to dodgy addresses, with researchers estimating that Bitcoin holders have lost more than $2 million to the ploy. Over the weekend, Gab attempted to reassure its users that its engineers and mods are working to put a stop to the spam, but it doesn't seem to have worked yet, as links to sites like rawconservativeopinions.com are still flooding the site. Thank you for listening. To stay up to date with the latest from the world of crypto, make sure you subscribe to the Protos Daily on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and all other major podcast providers.